Hey guys, my name is John Erickson, and I am reading for the role of Scott. Thanks for having me audition. Here we go. Alright, cool. I got these two bags. Take this one?
Yeah.
Nice. Did I tell you Alex called?
What for?
Same shit as always. She yelled at me saying I don't care, that I'm always occupied with work, when it's like we weren't even together anymore. Oh, and she refuses to take into consideration the fact that I supported us when she wanted to try that music thing.
We all know how that worked out.
Right? Alright, we'll get this done. It's charming.
It will do for now.
You know, before we broke up, I was like this close to getting back together with Amy when I was in New York.
No fucking way.
I swear.
What the hell would Amy be doing in New York?
You know, funny enough, she's acting.
On Broadway?
Well, I mean, it's off Broadway, but she actually landed a lead in this play out there.
Something I would know?
Yeah, probably not. I think it's called Vienna, Versailles. It's about Marie Antoinette getting captured in this whole execution thing. But you should have seen it, man. Virtually everybody gave her a standing ovation at the end.
It's funny I couldn't imagine Amy acting.
Yeah, I never knew she could act either. But you know, I think I still have her phone number. Maybe you should give her a call.
Why would I call her?
I don't know. Maybe she should give you some advice.
Amy? Advice? I'm okay.
You sure?
Yeah.
All right.